friends, this is Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will show you how to make air fryer eggplant. So the first step to making air fryer eggplant is to chop it into pieces. So first I'm going to cut off the end, and then I will cut the eggplant in half. And you don't need to peel the eggplant. And I will take each half and cut it into slices. And then cut it into cubes. And I will transfer the cut up eggplant into a bowl. And I will repeat this with the other half of my eggplant. And I will discard the end. So once we've cubed the eggplant, we will season it. I'm going to put olive oil. And I will sprinkle it with garlic powder.
Stop.
Black or red pepper. If you have paprika, then you can use that as well. Italian seasoning. And you can use any of your favorite spices. Once you added olive oil and spices, you toss it with your hands so the eggplant cubes are evenly coated with olive oil and spices. And once we've prepared the eggplant, we will put it in the air fryer. So let's take the basket out of the air fryer and put prepared eggplant. Then insert the basket into the air fryer. Now we will set the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and the time to 20 minutes. And press start. Halfway through the cooking process, when there's about 10 minutes left, we can take out the eggplant and just shake it so the eggplant that's on the bottom gets to the top and gets a chance to brown evenly. And let's put it back in the air fryer and restart so it finishes cooking. Now when the air fryer is done cooking, let's take out our eggplant. Look how browned it is. It looks good. So let's put it in our serving plate. And at this point, you can sprinkle it with salt to taste. I like to add salt after cooking because the eggplant shrinks after it cooks, and this way you can tell better how much salt you need. Look at this eggplant, it's so brown and crispy. Air fryer eggplant is my favorite way of eating eggplant. Let's try it. Delicious. For more easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Enjoy!